Molweni sanibonani, welcome to Ezinohlonze TV. Kama lami kusiyanda ngwangqolunga isibongo batho sobiya. Namhlanje asiphinde sahlangana futhi angiqale ngokukhumbuza ukuthi uyasubscribe on YouTube ukwazi ukuthi uthole zonke izinhlelo ezenzakalayo. Namhlanje ke sise Mayville kwelika banana sihleli no Mr Fruit batho excellent uSphesihle uzositshena kabanzi ngamafutha akhe nokuthi ungene kanjani kule ndima yokuthengisa abe neTafula as a young businessman. Asichazele konke nje ngayo ukuthi kwenzakalani. Nawe mhlawumbe ngiyakuthemba ukuthi khona ngasukufunda kodwa ngakhohlwa ngithe uyasubscribe on YouTube ukwazi ukushare abangani bakho ubatshela ukuthi ziyenzeka kweZinohlonze TV. Sphesihle ngosinikeza kabanzi ngebackground yakhe nokuthi kwenzakalani azafike la ekhona namhlanje.
Okay, I'm just going to start by saying my name. Sphesihle, excellent, uMfana weTafula, a very well-known guy, just a young guy, who is in this business of fruits and veggies. It's such a journey that but if I were to be asked, what made me even start the business? But the main reason why I had to start fruits and vegetables, it's something that doesn't fluctuate. It's something that doesn't in any day or any year or any month. We're battling because we shortage of this and this and this. So to answer the question to why did I start the business of fruits and veggies was just because of seeing the fluctuation within the business industry. What fluctuates in at that moment and at that particular month or year. And most importantly was just a drive. We turn into weird. I've done plenty of sales. I've done plenty of being in the sales industry. And I had to come up with something and go now with it. Closer to interacting with my customers. So the industry basically interact with a lot of customers basically. From my own perspective. It got me closer to my customer and also to share my customer the vision of the fish shop, the vision behind the fish shop and so good time. In 17 before I've been a 9-to-5 employee. In the employment industry. To be honest, when it comes to kusebenza kwami ema-fruits and veg, ngingathini ukuyikhandla kwami basically. Because yabo mawusebenzela umuntu, they give you a certain target. For instance, brother ngidayisa imoto, sebenzela ka Toyota, ngisebenzela ka Nissan, they give you a certain target that you need to reach every month. So I took the same method. Okay, I'm given a target to reach. If I can run my own business and target myself, it's okay. At least let me just try and reach this and this and this. The same effort that I took from the industry, that's in this industry which I call my business. It's completely different part. The drive that I have, the drive that I've implemented to my team, it pays off because I took the same method and I started from 7 as implemented to the team. So that's just to answer why do I start the business, what do I see in the business. The challenge is obviously I can't tell you. My challenge is open now. Tina, with us, my challenge is that we always face, I'm going to say that I face as the main person in the business. I'll just say as the team. There's challenges where when you're running a business, I'm not my code. There's challenges where you don't even know who as a guide, who to talk to when you go through tough times. Like I keep my code, I get net, applications for fundings. Those are the challenges you face along the entrepreneurship journey. But the only way you can overcome such challenges if only you believe in your dream, if only you believe in your goal, and you know what's the drive, and you know which wins and going and going. You will always find a solution to that. So for instance, I'll just use Ugnet because for the past days, I felt trying to business sebenza kanjani. The gazebos that we use, amane leak. Those are the challenges we face. But we had to come and work. Gas pork, we have to come to 7 and so. So just to add some few challenges, how to raise funds. It's paperwork. Every paperwork can up to date. Even if you make 100 rand a day, save a low 50 rand. You save half of what you make. Get your paperwork up to date. the only thing you can overcome, the only challenge, the only way of overcoming my problems and challenges you face with business lab is getting your paperwork up to date. Probably they've seen me posting it on the office that I have, small office in Vinyam. Abantu bayibuze first indaba wena nepaperwork namafuthi because into engahlangani. Guys, the idea behind the office, the idea behind the paperwork fruits. If for instance see article post la banana and it says to banana 220, how am I gonna know the profits I make if the thing one track? That how paperwork can get into place. That how paperwork can get into action because more 120 banana para to be if you tell some 2 rand, I know my profits gonna be 200 rand. I need to record that. So long as I'm a and I make 200 rand each box. That is my profit. I can save that amount of money because it was order. I make profit, I save, I order. I make profit, I save, I can order. That's how you can only run your business. You need to document every single thing that you do, no matter how little it is, but you have to document every single thing you do. And you ask yourself, but now you're Gemini man, full stop as a year. You ask yourself, that's because of every single thing you do. We document it down. Document your business down. No matter what. I'm gonna go to this very important point. Yes, we can start a business. Yes, you can own a business. Yes, you can run a business. But what is the key in running a business? It's to be different. Satrenda, ya trend first stop, uMfana weTafula wa trenda. Everybody like uMfana ka good. The only key that is that what were we doing different? We are market to Fumba Bono with some fruits, but some food. You go literally everywhere when I want to be some fruit and fruits. But what are they doing differently? It's watch Abantabaningi Abaitanda when they go to Shisanyama place, when they go to Pauchuan. Those people who own such businesses, they appreciate some customer by capturing the best moments. They take pictures of my customer, they take pictures of your customer. So I took the same method to Kazin. People are going to come and they're going to buy fruits. But what is going to be an appreciation to them? We took pictures of my customer. If you allow Tangi Kabi, you should send Zamba, and some Tamatis, it's something that now you can literally do. It's not smartphones, guys. Let us use that as an advantage to us. Business, but what are you going to be doing differently about it? Ungayikali ibhizinisi ucabanga ukuthi bazokusupport abantu ekubeni wena you're not even showing your business to other people. Thatha ibhizinisi lakho uattract abantu ngebhizinisi lakho. If udayisa inyama, take a picture of inyama yakho idliwe wena. Take a picture of inyama yakho uyosa. Take a picture of whatever that you're doing ukuze ukwazi ukuthi uhehe abanye abantu. It's very simple because we have a free marketing which is the social media. If you have 7,000 followers, if I can take a picture of inyama yami ngidayisa and post it on the net. From those 7,000 people, my one about 50, you're done. 50 people multiplied by 2, that's 100. 100 multiplied by 2 is 200. So the main thing is now when you're doing your business. So that's the main thing of running a business. So I can go on and on with the marketing strategy. I can go on and on with how to run a business. I can go on and on as to how you need to maintain the business. But at the end of the day, we are ithanda now. Because ngingakaza ngiqashe imthambo ngikhuluma isingisi ngikhuluma isiZulu. But at the end of the day, into yenza uyayithanda now. Ungasho ukuthi ngoba kuthiwa ufuna ube entrepreneur, uqala ibhizinisi. Mhlawumbe abanye bethu were not even meant to run businesses. Abanye bethu they were meant ukuthi umuntu asebenzele umlungu. Mase kuqeda usebenzele umlungu, mhlawumbe invest on something. Akuthi own a business. We were not all born to be entrepreneurs. We're not all born to run businesses. We're not all born to own something. Someone was born to help somebody to own something and so on. So the journey is endless, guys. I mean, entrepreneurship, kuyakhuthaza, and kufundisa into eningi. But job I can go on and on about maintaining, management and loving what you do. But so go as an individual, what exactly do you want to do with your life? You know, I forgot the name of this guy, but this guy, he touched on a very important thing. The 3 places you go to on a particular day, they must be linked to your vision acceleration. The 3 places that you go to on a particular day, they must be linked to a vision. Some of them tell you go to whatever. So that means the 3 places of the work zone, they link to what you want to do in life. So that's what I'm an advice that I can give to people who would say, if vision yako is linked to what you do on daily basis. So if you go to on daily basis, what you do is you go to a garage, you view cars. You go to a restaurant, top restaurant, because you want to talk to people about a restaurant around the restaurant. I mean, you're linking your vision to, you're linking vision yako with what associates. I think I can go on and on, guys. I can just go on and on explaining. But yeah, the business is 1 year old. So you're running this business. I go Kolula, guys. I'll put this in simplest form and in simplest terms. It's not easy to run a business. It's not easy to be an entrepreneur. And so I want to mean from wearing a tie, from wearing a kicking boboza, from being that smart guy, seven the garage in moto to be here in Tasama from my village. Omunumuntangati the downgrade. Omunumuntangati whatever the case is. But in actual fact, it's not an issue one cool. It's growth for me. I'm told we are cooler basically because truth be told is in pride you're going to the lose. If you have pride, you'll never go anywhere. Ukube mina ngayo kumsebenzi omukudayisa imoto ngitshela ukuthi kama ngidayisa imoto ngisakwazi ukuthi ngidayisa ama fruits ngabe la ngikhona namhlanje ngikho you know. So probably you guys can see there's someone who's behind me. I have a team. Just to introduce my team, I have a team. Angisebenzi ke ngiyi-one because at the end of the day, a proper and a true entrepreneur, you must have a team, you know. So I have a team angisebenzisana nayo. I have an admin manager. Yes. I have an admin manager. That's someone who runs our big files, who run our admin, who runs our finances, who run our paperwork, who run every single thing that we have, you know, that has to do with the paperwork. So that's Nonkulego Makot, which is our admin manager. Then I have a director, a second director. The person in one one. Don't have full camera. So this guy behind me, stories like sitting cool guys. I can go on and on, guys. We literally started the company together. This company now, you know. So yeah, he's the second director of the company as a stop and video. So yes, me. Papa taking pictures in Koluma, everywhere. But I'm million guys. You need to have a team. At the end of the day, to be successful, you must have a team. So just to break it down in a team, there's someone who runs the admin work, there's someone who's second in charge. So when I'm getting gecko, tapping go deliver and the deliver the combo, because you also sell a combo. There's someone who runs the business. Okay? So I mean, I think I've covered almost everything. Should there be any questions about it, they know where to get us. We have an official page on Facebook, which is Fruit Stop and Veggies. There's no underscore. It's Fruit Stop and Veggies on Facebook. And on Instagram, we have Fruit Stop underscore. Yes. So once you type Fruit Stop underscore, Sidanji, it's born, it's called. Zobonanji, smile everywhere. With the address here, it's 169 Killet Road or West Ridge. We're right next to PP Karachi, we're right next to West Ridge High School. Yes, 169 Killet Road. On WhatsApp, it's 078 054 3302. And we print that 078 054 3302. You know. So where do we see ourselves in the next 5 years? Are you 5 years? I'm cool. Let me just wrap it up. The company is growing. It's growing. If I were to be asked, Which what do I see the company in a duration of time? I would say give us a max of 2 years. In the next 2 years, I see the company, first and foremost, I see the company contributing a lot to the community. We've done a giving back to the community. We went to Catholic Primary School. So I see a company giving back to the community in less than a year. I see us employing more than 10 people in a year. I see us being a proper supermarket. All about the matter of fruits banbani lazy to lazy saying cool. Basic team. That's one thing I can tell you guys. I see the company growing drastically in the next 2 years. We see ourselves being a supermarket, a proper supermarket, and we see ourselves having our own farm, you know, because at the end of the day, to be an entrepreneur, you need to start your own thing. Teachers move, what kind of entrepreneurship journey, what kind of drink, energy drink. So now if we're gonna sell fruits and veggies, we need to produce our own vegetables. So cabbage, zambane, tomatoes, spinach, that actually come from the team. So now that's exactly what we see ourselves in the next couple of years, which is 2 years. We see ourselves having our own farm, to plant our own veggies. We see ourselves employing more than 10 people a year. We see ourselves contributing a lot to the community. Remember, so now we honestly want to give to the community. There's plenty of things that we want to do, especially with things of the community. Sengvala sengiphethe la sikhona ngabantu njengoba ngisho ukuthi umuntu ngabantu. If you stop and veggies ibhizinisi elapha ibekele abantu esala abantu namanje labantu la sikhona is because of the support team. We doing such interviews ngenxa yabantu because ngabe namhlanje we not even doing some interviews ukube abantu abasiqala. So sabantu ngabantu, where we are is support yabantu abasiqasile. Even on social media, signing about. People come here, they buy, so it's just to spread this message with Sintanda Nonke. And guys, you can support. There's plenty of people in Baboni that have been motivated by my business. So guys, I think they should be about it. It's about